Let's continue to keep things in perspective. Even though schools are starting to ramp up content and ramp up expectations around learning, we can still keep things in perspective. Schools are flexible. They will allow our children a chance to adjust and adapt to this virtual learning, to this homeschool coronation perspective. That's something we as parents need to keep in mind. Life is not normal right now. And with that lack of normalcy, there is a silver lining, and it's an amazing silver lining, and one that we must keep in perspective because we are blessed with this opportunity. And we must wake up each morning seeing that, because this is not normal. And I think that's wonderful. We are not overscheduled. We are not driven with this chaos of altering and conflicting priorities. We have family, and we get to spend a lot of time with family, for good and for bad. But in that is the truth of what truly matters, and to really start reframing who we are and who we are not. And this is where we are blessed with the silver lining of this corona epidemic creates these opportunities. I've never seen so many people walking, from getting good night's sleep to spending time with your children in the mornings and having dinner together in the evenings, to quiet time for reading and just time together, to play board games, learn how to play chess, to just get outside and be together. Those are memories that you'll look back on and smile. So we have to suspend expectations as they've been in the past, what was normal, and start to reconsider now what is the new normal and what this unschooling perspective has on who we are. So we get to think differently. We get to reflect differently. Maybe even meditate after a good night's sleep. Yes, there are struggles that we are dealing with in the chaos of being at home with our family. Absolutely. And we will work through that because family matters. And there are health fears that we have. Yet we will get through that as well because we always do. And in this transition of life with spring and all of these new normals coming at us, we get to reflect and prioritize and evaluate. And at the end of this, hopefully, we get to look back and say thanks for this amazing opportunity that we were blessed with. That is my hope for all of us. So as you start your day, may you make it great for you and those you love. All the best.